I just want to thank you guys so much for coming today. I am so excited to show you guys this park. And you can tell that we're going to get pretty close to the shore here. And that's because this lake is shaped like the letter U or a bathtub. And so it drops off very quickly and it rounds off at the bottom. And you are able to come up to the upper deck and kind of walk around, sitting at the very front at the bow.
You can walk
welcome
around.
to walk around that area. And of course,
No, I'm not gonna walk around. I'm just gonna stay. I'm cold, you know. It's very, very cold.
And we are able to dry off some of these seats as well if you desire to sit down. It looks like it's kind of stopped sprinkling, but there is a high chance it will begin to rain again because I guess this area is just like that. This is one of the most windiest places in North America. Right now it's not too windy, which was honestly
This is the windiest place in North America. Okay.
Because when it gets really windy and really rainy, just like this morning, it's not too pleasant. But it looks like the wind is dying down a little bit, which is nice. I just want to introduce you to this vessel here. This is the MV International. It was built in 1927, the same year as the Prince of Wales Hotel. And so they're both turning 98 years old. It's quite an old boat, but it is in great condition. It has a lot of things that are replaced in it. You guys are able to enjoy this
Oh,
boat
90
today.
years old itong
And
boat.
same year. The hotel and the boat were built by the same people, the Great Northern Railway, and the purpose to build these things was to bring tourists and bring visitors, and boy did it work. This town site, or this park, it gets 500,000 visitors per year, which is a good chunk of people, that's for sure.
Can I take them a video?
But this boat, it's licensed to carry up to 165 passengers. And of course we have more than enough life jackets. And today we don't even have a number close to 165. So the life jackets located on this boat are on the very back on the upper deck, as well as, children or infant life jackets on the left side of the pilot house. And those for the main deck, those life jackets, if you look above yourself on the ceiling, that is where those life jackets are located as well. And of course there are plenty of different kinds of emergency things that we have. So we have fire extinguishers specifically placed strategically around the boat here. We have life rings as well as life slings as well. And we have first aid kits as well as fire axes and fire buckets. So we have your safety in mind. And of course we haven't really needed to use a lot of that stuff, but of course it is required by U.S. Coast Guard to have those things as well. And